What am I doing wrong on the Gossip Game? Like, I need some advice. This is my first reality show. I'm a nice person. I'm not used to just cursing people out in the regular. Unless it's these guys.
Fuck all that. If a bitch, can I curse?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Damn.
Yes.
If a bitch come up in your face asking you anything, first of all, you're supposed to be the boss, K Fox. You've been in the game for a long time. Them ratchet hoes don't mean nothing. Them hoes supposed to bow down to you and do what you say.
Yeah,
and
but
how
everybody
you say
trying to act like they something that they're not. You're gonna see throughout.
Well, you need to tell
the
them.
show. Yeah.
Let them bitches know how you ain't about that life.
So, Jocelyn, what you're saying is K Fox should either smack a bitch, clearly state, bitch, you ain't about that life, and or what?
I go for A, off the rip.
Smack a bitch.
Yeah, smack a hoe.
We don't want violence.
Well, see, K Fox, I don't think. See,
Violence sells.
She's
she's
a
different.
lady though.
Well,
Like,
I'm a
if
lady too, but I'm
Yeah, but
it's
nah,
different.
but-
I'm an artist. I can just flip out and do whatever I
but
want.
you come from them
You-
clubs where you crack a bitch with a bottle. K Fox come from, you know. That's
Fucking right. And you left me hanging. I
Well,
was trying to give you that.
so bring Jocelyn on the show. Let us smack a few.
I
hoes.
smack a bitch for
Okay,
you.
let's go.
I got you.
I'm down with that.
I got your
I can do
back.
that.
So
I got your
you don't
back.
want to smack a chick yourself, but you will bring in Jocelyn as your muscle.
Yes.
Yeah,
To smack-
Yes, I'm into that.
I'm sure the manager
like-
could work out a fee.
I
you know.
like K Fox. I would help her out. I like K Fox.
Like
I
for
like
you
Thank
to
you.
get
And Jocelyn, you know, she
bust
get it
on
in.
TV.
Any of the chicks on the Gossip? Have you watched the show yet? So you have seen
I
it.
watched it a few times.
So are any of those chicks that you've seen on the show you think already worthy of a slap?
I think, first of all, they asked me this question earlier, remember? And I told Stevie, I was like, the only one that I like is you. Of course, I don't know the other bitches, but I think that they just be doing. I think they do too much, but not enough. And they all sloppy
Just
and
for the
just
record,
nasty.
Sloppy.
Hot
They get their ass in
97,
the
man.
gym.
Hot 97, man. Fuck all everybody else.
Well,
man.
I'm
Straight
a,
like
but see,
that.
I
Stevie-
love
see, yeah,
them.
but here's the thing.
I
But
love
here's
you
the thing,
guys.
Stevie's biased because Stevie to this day gets publishing checks in the mail because of radio airplay.
Oh,
and well, 'cause of what we
from
did.
the
Of
90s
course.
for
Right.
Stevie J.
Of
So he's
course.
biased.
Hot 97, baby.
Every day, that's
No,
my
but
word.
that's the type of
97.
people that know the true history of what we do
Yeah.
here.
You know what I'm saying?
No, it was a good time,
A lot
and
of careers.
yeah, no, we still help a lot of careers.
Exactly.
Can we talk about Jocelyn's shorts?
Well,
today?
I want to. Do you
would
mind if I
love to.
showcase your work?
Why not?
All right,
Your
cool.
work.
Did you really say that?
Yes,
I
Yeah, I
hate
did.
the
I
fact
did.
that
Here's my
you
work.
did that.
Why?
Okay.
Because it's like
You're his
Well,
work.
you're
You're his
still
work.
gonna
Walk on
stand
out
up
here
and
for the
show it.
people, them.
There is
Yo
a
soy la
dog
puertorriqueña
Good
más
God.
sexy
somewhere.
de todo el mundo, la boricua, la hispana.
Now, can I get
la
the turn?
Puerto Rican
Hit the
princess.
turn. Hit the turn. Hit the turn. Yeah.
Bow! Ratchet turn up Molly.
Why
Is
are
that
you
really
squatting in
squats?
the
Played a part in that?
Beefcake.
I sorry, I missed that. I didn't see the
squat on
squat.
Stevie's beefcake too, but
I didn't see the
squat
squat.
at the-
She said
squat
I
at the gym.
squat on Stevie's.
Bam!
I need to get in the gym, guys. I need to
Yeah,
step my
okay, you
game
know
up.
what I'm saying? Just hang around her a little bit, you know what I'm saying?